Hey everyone, welcome back to Univer Technology. Today we're delving into the highly anticipated Apple Watch X. It's been a decade since the first Apple Watch hit the market, and Apple has something special in store for us. Let's get started. Designed. The Apple Watch X is rumored to undergo a major redesign. Imagine a watch that's thinner, sleeker, and more modern than ever. It could even introduce a new magnetic band attachment system that could revolutionize how we wear technology. Display and performance. Next, let's talk about the display. The Apple Watch X may feature an updated OLED screen that's more power efficient, promising better battery life for us. And under the hood, a thin logic board coated with resin for improved durability and water resistance. Apple Watch X price rumors? In previous years, there have been two case sizes for the Apple Watch, and we expect the trend to continue this year. The Apple Watch X lineup should be priced the same as last year's watches. Apple Watch Series X 41mm $399. Apple Watch Series X 45mm $429. Health features. Apple is also placing a strong emphasis on health. While blood pressure monitoring may not provide accurate readings, it will alert you to possible high blood pressure. Additionally, there's sleep apnea detection using your sleep data and breathing patterns to monitor your health while you sleep. Final thoughts. While we're still awaiting all the details, the Apple Watch X appears to be a real game changer. With a slimmer design, improved battery life, and new health features, it's shaping up to be impressive. However, it's still unclear whether Apple will release the new watch in 2024 or 2025. Remember, the original Apple Watch was unveiled in September 2014, but wasn't released until April 2015, so Apple could choose any date for the Apple Watch anniversary. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews like this one.